Yo, what's up, guys? Yo, what is up, guys? So, I've got this myself a new Rode mic for digital communications that we do in our daily lives. So, basically, we want to do some podcasting and wanted to have a better quality mic to record some videos, etc. So, just like the one we are doing right now, although this is being recorded from iPhone, that's it has, I think, better quality than my regular lavalier mic. So this is what I use currently. Excuse the mess. This is what I use currently. So it should be an upgrade. Let's just open up this up and unbox this one. Let's check it. This is not opening up. Yo, man, what is up? There's some things in the background. It opens from the downside. You see here that I'm going to break. Okay, there you go. Another box. Another box inside this box. Regulatory and safety manual. Interesting. Okay, another manual. Who need that? Not me. So what we have here is USB-C wire, pretty long thing. Oh, let me just quickly run my Reactivity back. So I'm going to do this. And while that happens, we'll open up this wire. So this is for mounting the mic on an arm thing that like hangs in front of your face, kind of not putting the mic on the table itself. This is an attachment for that. It's metal. This is good quality USB-C wire. Great. So what do we have here? More boxes. And finally, we have here final piece of the puzzle. Ooh, you go. There you go, man. That is how unboxing happens. So this is kind of for keeping things dry so that atmosphere humidity does not affect the device. Interesting. What is this? Don't know. Quality assurance. I was reading AQ first. Okay. So here is our mic. It was pretty decent, yo. So it has this button in the front to control the volume. It's pretty solid. It's not something that you can easily spin. It's like not something that you accidentally touch and spin. It's like it has to be spinned with some force with your thumb or something. Oh, did I break it? So okay, this piece is a magnetic. Okay, it's very good. Okay, cool. This is a stand. It attaches itself to this stand using using this magnetic port here, just like we have the MagSafe things in MacBooks, these new ones. And we have two ports at the back, a headphone jack for zero latency output, and then there's USB-C. Okay, time for another quick command. Yep. So let's just get this started. I think interesting. So I will just open this up. Oh wow! It's like okay, sorry. It's pretty long wire, probably 1.5 meters, maybe even 2. Yes, 2 meters. Yeah. Yep. This is 2 meters in length. So this is 1 meter. You measure from your arm to your chest. If it covers the chest, that's 1 meter approximately. So that's 2 meters. Okay, let's connect it quickly. Oh, there is some. My hand was shaking. I don't know why. Maybe it was due to some magnet thing going on. I didn't know what. Look at this starting to catch dust already. This is very good surface that it will also not let the mic move, and it will not let the metal make noises with the mic with the table. Not allow the metal to interface with my table. So I'll quickly put this to work here with the USB port that I have on my computer. You guys cannot see my computer is on top of my screen. There's a handy thing going on for that. Anyways, okay. So we have this. Okay, switch device. Nice. So let's check the audio, sound preferences, and here we have Rode NT USB Mini. This has hello everybody, how's it going? So next we'll check this mic. Thank you everybody for watching. If this is ever on YouTube, I don't know.